You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word, these two words, correctly. By the way, if you want to learn more biblical terms in particular, because this is generally related to religion, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You'll want to learn from chastise. The verb is pronounced chastise, a Z sound, stress on the first syllable. To chastise, it's to rebuke or reprimand severely, chastise. The past participle is chastised, somewhat to punish, essentially. Chastised. Chastise, or how to pronounce chastised. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.